and complementary angles, take two. So same concept, but we are adding solving equations to angles. You know, you always say, Miss Beck, is this as easy as it's gonna get? And then I'll always say, no, I've got to add a little bit. So this is the part that I'm adding. All right, I still have that this is 90 degrees. Like I can't take that away. Like complementary angles, this is a complementary angle, 90 degrees. I see that box right there that means 90 degrees. So what does complementary mean? It means that I can add these two together and they equal 90 degrees because of that box. So let's add them together. 3x plus 7 plus 56 equals how much? 90 degrees, because of this is how much this is in the angle. Because of this little box, it tells me if this is 90 degrees right here. So it's going to equal 90 degrees. Now I see some things that need to happen. I need to combine like terms. So what is 7 plus 56? 63. 3x plus 63 equals 90. Now I'm back to two-step equations. And then you're like, oh my goodness, am I going to see a two-step equation for the rest of my life? Yes, you are. Or at least in high school and college you will. And I always say, what if somebody walks up to you at Walmart and says, I'm going to give you $50 if you can solve this two-step equation? And you'll be like, thank you for Miss Beck for showing me how to solve a two-step equation. And now I can get $50 from this guy that's so nice. All right, if it's a plus 63, then I'm going to subtract 63. So 90 minus 63 is 27. And then same thing, if it's a 3x, I'll divide by 3. So x equals 9. Okay? I should have solved for x as my directions. What am I thinking? All right, so what does this look like? A straight line. So how many degrees is in a straight line? 180. Oh, I'm so glad you knew that. What does this box mean? How many degrees does this box represent? 90. I'm so glad you knew that. Look at y'all, just smart little things. All right, so now what do? Supplementary angles means that I can add everything together and they equal 180. Add everything together and they equal 180. So if I add everything together, I like to start with my variable. Personal preference, doesn't matter. But I like to start with my variable, 2x plus 6. Which one do you want to go first, 90 or 64? I'm going to go 90 because it's over here. Plus 90 plus 64 equals 180 degrees. Then I'm going to add all of my like terms together. So I'm going to pull out my handy dandy calculator. 6 plus 90 plus 64 is 160 equals 180. Oh, I could have done that because 6 and 64 is 70 and then plus 9. Okay. All right, so then subtract 160. 2x equals 20. I'm running out of room. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Woo-hoo. So x equals 10 because 20 divided by 2 is 10. When I divide it by 2, divide by 2, that goes away. 20 divided by 2 is 10. See you later in class, hopefully.